Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to use picture-in-picture mode in Firefox browser. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open Firefox browser, and to use picture-in-picture mode, first of all, we have to enable it on our browser settings. Click on this menu icon, click on settings, here click on general and look for picture-in-picture video controls. If you're not getting this option, you can simply use this search option and search for picture-in-picture. And here you should get the option. Simply enable this. After that, whenever you play any media file, you will get picture-in-picture mode icon. Simply click on it and this will enable picture-in-picture mode in Firefox browser. To disable it, simply click on this button. There is also another way. For that, double right click on video player and here you'll find an option called watch in picture. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.